Friends, get to know the top 15 businesses under 25 lakh rupees to start in central Indian plateau. Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. At number 15, if you are from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, consider launching a 99-store discount retail store franchise. Economic variations in these regions make discount stores extremely appealing. Invest 15 lakh rupees for a 120% return on investment. With an IRR of 25%, this is a good business if you are in Jabalpur, Gwalior or Bilaspur. The best spots to set up this business are main markets, residential colonies, prominent roads in the city, bus stands and railway stations. At number 14, consider launching a chocolate and confectionery factory. Cater to the regional demand for sweets with a range of high quality products. Invest 30 lakh rupees for a 125% return on investment. With an IRR of 28%, this is a good business if you are in Nagpur, Bhopal or Ujjain. The best spots to set up this business are near industrial areas, highways, outskirts of the city, corporate hubs and near airports. Number 13. Consider launching a snack manufacturing business. Cater to the local preferences for savory snacks with a diverse product line. Invest 20 lakh rupees for 130% return on investment. With an IRR of 28%, this is a good business if you're in Nagpur, Jabalpur or Ujjain. The best spots to set up this business are near industrial areas, highways, railway stations, outskirts of the city and near corporate hubs. Number 12. Consider launching a healthcare and personal care pharmacy franchise. Provide essential health and personal care products to dense populations. Invest 18 lakh rupees for a 130% return on investment. With an IRR of 30%, this is a good business if you're in Nagpur, Gwalior or Bhopal. The best spots to set up this business are near hospitals, medical centers, main markets, residential parks and government offices. Number 11. Consider launching a craft brewery and taproom franchise. Tap into the emerging market for craft beverages with unique, locally inspired brews. Invest 25 lakh rupees for a 135% return on investment. With an IRR of 30%, this is a good business if you are in Indore, Bhopal or Nagpur. The best spots to set up this business are near tourist locations, main markets, inside or near 5-star hotels, on prominent roads in the city and near theatres. Number 10. Consider launching a street food classics truck franchise. Offer a menu featuring popular items like Chaat, Bhel Puri, Pani Puri and Bhaji. Invest 9 lakh rupees for a 140% return on investment. With an IRR of 32%, this is a perfect business if you're in Bhopal, Indore or Raipur. The best spots to set up this business are tourist locations, near bus stands, main markets, highways or near educational institutions. Number 9. Consider launching a coffee shops franchise. With a growing coffee culture, this franchise offers a warm, inviting atmosphere for coffee enthusiasts. Invest 12 lakh rupees for a 140% return on investment. With an IRR of 32%, this is a good business if you're in Ranchi, Bhubaneswar or Indore. The best spots to set up this business are near educational institutions, main markets, tourist locations, large city parks and bus stands. Number 8. Consider launching a specialty coffee roasting business. Utilize locally grown coffee to create unique blends that appeal to discerning consumers. Invest 15 lakh rupees for a 140% return on investment. With an IRR of 33%, this is a good business if you're in Nagpur, Bhopal or Raipur. The best spots to set up this business are near industrial areas, highways, corporate hubs, inside or near 5-star hotels and near railway stations. Number 7. Consider launching a pizza and Italian snacks food truck franchise. Meet the growing demand for Italian cuisine in an accessible format. Invest 11 lakh rupees for a 145% return on investment. With an IRR of 33%, this is a good business if you're in Ranchi, Bhubaneswar or Jabalpur. The best spots to set up this business are tourist locations, bus stands, main markets, near theatres, or on prominent roads in the city. Number 6. Consider launching a traditional savory snacks truck franchise. Serve popular local snacks from a mobile setup. Invest 9 lakh rupees for a 150% return on investment. With an IRR of 34%, this is a good business if you are in Bhopal, Ranchi or Raipur. The best spots to set up this business are near bus stands, highways, main markets, near educational institutions and tourist locations. Number 5. Consider launching a juice and refreshments shop franchise. Utilize local fruits to offer fresh, healthy options. Invest 7 lakh rupees for a 150% return on investment. With an IRR of 35%, this is a good business if you are in Bhubaneswar, Ranchi or Gwalior. The best spots to set up this business are near education institutions, main markets, tourist locations, large city parks and bus stands. Number 4. Consider launching a pizza-focused cloud kitchen franchise. This business caters to the popular demand among younger demographics and families. Invest 10 lakh rupees for a 150% return on investment. With an IRR of 35%, this is a good business if you are in Bhubaneswar, Indore or Raipur. The best spots to set up this business are near residential colonies, bus stands, highways, railway stations and in main markets. Number 3. Consider launching a biryani cloud kitchen franchise. Tap into the evergreen popularity of biryani. Invest 12 lakh rupees for a 155% return on investment. With an IRR of 36%, this is a good business if you're in Bhubaneswar, Indore or Raipur. The best spots to set up this business are near residential colonies, bus stands, highways, near railway stations and in main markets. Number 2. Consider launching a tea and samosa snacks shop franchise. Capitalize on the universal love for tea and savory snacks. Invest just 7 lakh rupees for a 165% return on investment. With an IRR of 37%, this is a good business if you're in Indore, Jabalpur or Nagpur. The best spots to set up this business are main markets, near bus stands, tourist locations, prominent roads in the city and near temples. Number 1. Consider launching a Chole Bhature cloud kitchen franchise. Offer this popular local cuisine directly from your kitchen to customers' doors. Invest 8 lakh rupees for a 160% return on investment. With an IRR of 38%, this is a perfect business if you're in Raipur, Bhopal or Ranchi. The best spots to set up this business are near residential colonies, bus stands, highways, near railway stations and in main markets. So friends, if you are from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, the highest profit and the highest demand businesses which can be started are as follows. 99 store discount retail store franchise at number 15. Chocolate and Confectionery Factory at number 14. Snack manufacturing at number 13. Healthcare and personal care pharmacy franchise at number 12. Craft Brewery and Taproom franchise at number 11. Street food classics truck comprising of Chaat, Bhel, Puri, Pani, Puri and Bhaji franchise at number 10. Coffee shop franchise at number 9. Specialty coffee roasting at number 8. Pizza and Italian snacks food truck franchise at number 7. Traditional savory snacks truck franchise at number 6. Juice and refreshments shop franchise at number 5. Pizza focused cloud kitchen franchise at number 4. Biryani cloud kitchen franchise at number 3. Tea and samosa snacks shop franchise at number 2. Chole Bhature cloud kitchen franchise at number 1. Those were our top 15 business ideas for Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Watch out more videos for business ideas in other locations in India. Thanks for joining us. Start your business journey today. All the best.